What people don't realize is that tokens going 1000x on ICP is one of the most bullish things that could happen to our ecosystem. There is no better marketing than coins or tokens or projects doing great returns. Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and today we'll go over what happened on the internet computer the previous week. We talked about Sneed, and I asked if you think this is the next token on the internet computer protocol to do a 1000x. And let's have a look at some stats. The token was listed at 34 cents on the first day of trading, and then on the fifth day, when we mentioned it last week, it was at $55, and now it is trading at over $250 a token, which is crazy. This is the true power of meme coins. Now let's be real. Like it or not, this token in the past 7 days, it had over $650,000 in trading volume on the internet computer, which is unheard of. I don't think we have $650,000 in volume for all other tokens together combined. And let's see what they have been doing the past week. So Sneed has been featured in the Plug Money Spotlight, and you can now easily add the Sneed token to Plug just by searching it through the wallet interface. It also got listed on ICP Coins, which is one of the few tools that allow us to track ICP token metrics like volume, liquidity, market cap, and so on. The Sneed token canister has been black-holed, which is the equivalent of renouncing a smart contract on Ethereum, which means that the team no longer has any control over the token. And on top of that, the team has airdropped over $25,000 to 330 OG members of their Discord. So I think it is fair to say that it was a full week for the Sneed token and the Sneed community and team. The question is it a good time to buy the Sneed token now? And if you are asking yourself this question, another question that you should ask yourself is, if I didn't want to buy this token at $50, why do I want to buy it now at $250? Because maybe you're thinking, but what happens if it gets to $1,000 or $2,000? I'm gonna miss out. And that is correct. You will miss out, and that is okay. There will be other great opportunities in the crypto space. What people don't realize is that tokens going 1000x on ICP is one of the most bullish things that could happen to our ecosystem. There is no better marketing than coins or tokens or projects doing great returns. Like, okay, we have the best tech, cool. If they cannot get great returns on ICP, they will not come on ICP. And I feel that this is the beginning of real DeFi on the internet computer protocol. So first we've had Dragons and it went 1000x. Now we're seeing Sneed going towards a 1000x. This will attract a lot of people to the ICP ecosystem. If there will be volume in the ecosystem, new talented builders will come and develop their projects on ICP, and they will see how much better it is to build here as opposed to anywhere else, because we have the best tech in crypto. And then all of a sudden, with new people and new builders and huge volumes, the whole ecosystem will explode, and we will be one of the best ecosystems in the crypto space, as we should be. People are watching and they will start looking at our ecosystem and look for investments to make. And we have some of the best projects in the crypto space currently being discovered here on the internet computer protocol. That is my opinion on Sneed. Once again, I'm not telling you to buy Sneed now. Do what you want with this information. OpenFPL DAO, a decentralized fantasy football game built on the internet computer protocol, has announced that they started talking to suppliers to have physical OpenFPL shirts made, and mentioned that the shirts are just the beginning of their merchandise portfolio. The OpenFPL team is also releasing a very limited NFT collection that will allow its holders to collect a percentage of the physical shirts' sale profits. James Beadle, the founder of OpenFPL, has released the official website where you can find more details about both the NFTs and the upcoming merchandise. Sonic announced a new LBP round, this time for a project called Cig DAO, a DAO that supports ICP projects built by Jonathan Green, a serial ICP builder. We've had Jonathan on our podcast in the past, so make sure you check that episode out. The LBP round begins on October 30 at 12 p.m. UTC and lasts for 3 days, which means it has already started by the time this video goes live. There will be a total of 100 billion tokens for sale, and the starting price will be 1 ICP equals 15 million YC tokens. And let's have a look at what the SNS projects have been up to. Openchat, a popular Web3 chat app built on the internet computer protocol, they have made a proposal to start developing an iOS and Android app, and every token holder has had the chance to vote if they wanted to pass or reject this proposal. And actually, the community decided to reject it, so there will not be an Openchat mobile app coming in the near future. I assume that the community wants another app developer to start building this app. Otherwise, I don't really see a reason against having a mobile app for this project. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below. But what I think is cool is the fact that although the team behind Openchat proposed to have this app built, the community decided against it. So I think it is pretty cool that as a DAO, they have to respect the community's opinion. Hodl NFT holders must claim their tokens by 31st October, which means you have a few hours left to go to their Discord and submit your plug wallet address if you're a Hodl NFT holder from the funded app campaign. Last week was a roller coaster of emotions because of BoomDAO's decision to withdraw 327,000 ICP from the BoomDAO treasury, which represents 80% of the funds. The BoomDAO team mentioned that the funds will be utilized over the next 2 years, primarily for development, hiring, marketing, and legal expenses. There was some initial backlash from the community for withdrawing the whole amount at once instead of smaller amounts quarterly, mainly because the BoomDAO's reason was not very satisfying. The team staked 100,000 ICP in the NNS as per their white paper, but Jerry Banfield, a crypto YouTuber who I really recommend you watch, pointed out that the ICP is staked for 6 months instead of 8 years, which would have yielded the highest yearly returns. I recommend you watch Jerry's YouTube video on this subject for more information about the incident. I personally reached out to the BoomDAO team and was assured that they are committed to building the infrastructure tools that they promised they will. I think better communication from the BoomDAO team is necessary to avoid future concerns from the ICP community. In other news, BoomDAO keeps building as they release the on-chain leaderboard standard, which is a shared leaderboard that all the games using the BoomDAO infrastructure can implement. And finally, Sonic has submitted its funding proposal for the remainder of the year. The team requested 99,000 ICP, which will cover the operation and development costs of the platform until Q1 2024. The proposal is still up for voting, but it already has a majority of yes votes, which we can all agree is very well deserved, as the Sonic team has been killing it those past couple of months with non-stop updates and hitting numerous milestones. And with that, we're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.